Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is glossary and book exercise of textbook lesson 2 Iqbal's message to youth, and in this lesson I will also explain application. First one is for fee concession and second one is for remission of fine. So let's start to read the glossary. Exploration means talash, the act of traveling through a place in order to find out something about it or look for something in it. Innovation, jiddat, the introduction of new things, ideas or ways of doing something. Invention, ijad, the ability to have new and interesting ideas. Hamlet, मशहूर मुसन्निफ, मशहूर लिखारी और शायर, शेक्सपियर के ड्रामे का एक किरदार. अ कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम शेक्सपियरियन प्ले हु वुड टेक टू मच टाइम इन थिंकिंग बिफोर टेकिंग एन एक्शन. परपेचुअल मुसलसल जद्दोजहद, कंटिन्यूइंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम विदाउट इंटरप्शन. फोरसाइट, बसीरत foresight, basirat, the ability to predict what is likely to happen and to use this to prepare for the future. Enthusiastic, josh kharosh, feeling or showing a lot of excitement and interest about somebody or something. Emperor, aka, the ruler of an empire. Thai, tum, an English word that means your. Forge, banana, to put a lot of effort into making something successful or strong so that it will last. Brilliance, roshan, intense brightness of light, exceptional talent or intelligence. Nova, a star showing a sudden large increase in brightness and then suddenly returning to its original state. Inspiration, nova, naya, nova means naya. Inspiration, उम्दा ख्याल जो कि यकायक दिल में आ जाए. अ सडन ब्रिलियंट और टाइमली आइडिया. Students, in previous lesson you have studied about Iqbal's message and Iqbal's poetry about youth. So now you will be able to solve this portion. Exercise B, choose the correct answer for the following. His sublime poetry and philosophy inspired millions of Muslims. The opposite of the word sublime in this sentence means irrational. Whether he is in the battlefield or in the company of friend, he is pure in head and heart. In this sentence, he refers to the youth. Know thyself and success shall be thine means that your desire to know who you are and what you want is the real success in life. Number 4, the youth of Iqbal is not a thinking Hamlet but a man of action. In this sentence, Hamlet symbolizes a person who is taking too much time in making decision. Use the following words in sentences of your own. Students, this will be your activity. Make the sentences about these words in your activity copy and write it in your activity copy. The words are nation, battlefield, determination, symbol, motive, confined, direction and goals. This is vocabulary portion. Prefix and suffix. A prefix is a set of letters that is added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Students, although prefix and suffix are the set of letters, but it doesn't having its own meaning. Both prefix and suffix don't have its own meaning. इनके अपने कोई मायने नहीं होते, but if they are added to the word, if prefix is added to the beginning of the word and suffix is added to the end of a word, then they change its meaning. So first I will tell you about the prefix. That what is prefix? Prefix is a set of letters that is added to the beginning of the word. Word के शुरू में इस्तेमाल होते हैं to change its meaning, कि उसका मायनी बदल डालें उसके हकीकी मायनी से. For example, happy, unhappy. So we add un, which is a set of letter and it is prefix. We add to the beginning of a word, then it changes its meaning and totally opposite to the real word. happy, unhappy, agree, disagree, understand, misunderstand, correct, incorrect, on, this, miss, in are the examples of prefix. And what is suffix? A suffix is a set of letters that is added to the end of a word to change its meaning. That is added to the end of a word. ये भी letter का set होता है. We add to the end of a word, word के end में लगाते हैं for to change its meaning, meaning change करने के लिए, और ये उसके meaning बदल डालते हैं. Here are some examples of suffix just like able, meaning able to be. Example word terrible. Full means full of, and if we add this full with word beauty, so it becomes word beautiful. Less, not having, without, meaning is not having, without, and if we add this less with tooth, it becomes toothless. Dom, place or state of being, freedom. A person who does, its meaning, and if we add with work, its meaning is totally changed. Meant, action or process is meaning. Meant, if meant is added to the word pay, so it becomes payment. We change the meaning of pay. Ness, state of being. If we add this ness with happy, so it becomes happiness. Come to exercise portion. Complete the sentences by writing the correct prefix in the blank spaces. You can use a dictionary to help you. I just can't believe it. The story is unbelievable. No, that answer is incorrect. It is wrong. Let's look at this information again. We should review. We should review it before the test. I saw Alina just a moment ago, but now I can't find her. She just disappeared. Oh, I am sorry. I didn't hear you correctly. I misunderstand you. Exercise B. Complete the words by using the suffixes from the list. Fazila can't stay still. She always wants to move. She is restless. Rashida is very intelligent. She is adorable. Maliha can't remember anything. She is very forgetful. I appreciate your great attitude. I am really thankful. The best thing about her is her kindness. So, look at writing portion. Turn a page. Exercise C. Look at the mind map below and describe youth from Iqbal's perspective. Students, look at the mind map below and describe youth from Iqbal's perspective. इकबाल के नज़रिए से आप नौजवानों की वजाहत करें कि नौजवानों को कैसा होना चाहिए. Students, so this will be your activity. You will write it in your activity copy. Translate the following passage from English to Urdu. I will explain it with other comprehensions, with other questions in next lesson. And listening and speaking will be your activity. Recite a poem of Allama Iqbal in front of the class. Share in groups. Allama Iqbal as the dreamer of Pakistan. Dreamer, ख्वाब देखने. Application for fee concession. The principal, ABC School, Peshawar. Leave one line. Subject, request for fee concession. Students, you will also skip one line. Then write sir or madam. Put comma. With due respect, I want to say that I belong to a poor family. My father is a farmer. He is too old to work. My elder brother is a clerk. His pay is very small. It is very difficult, mushkil for him to pay my school dues. I am a regular paband and hard working student. सख्त मेहनती यानी कि मेहनती. I therefore request you to grant me full fee concession so that I may continue my studies. Put full stop on the next line. Write thanking you. Then leave one line. Your obedient student XYZ, and this is date. Write an application to the principal of your school for remission of fine. The principal, ABC School, Peshawar. Leave one line. Subject, request for fine remission. Sir or Madam, put comma, most respectfully, I beg to say that I have been fined raised 200 on account of coming late to the school for 2 days. I had no intention to be late, but the fact hakikat is that I was suffering mubtala hona from little fever. I had to walk to school because there was none at home to bring me on bike to the school. I am a poor student and it is very mushkil for me to pay the fine. Therefore, you are requested to remit my fine. Put full stop on the next line with margin line. Write, I shall be very thankful to you. Then leave one line, your obedient student XYZ and date. Memorize this work.